Turn hot. We salute the President of the Republic, General Salva Kiir Mayardit, and Commander-in-Chief. We are the SPLA-IO component of national security, and now we are declaring our allegiance to the President and to the Republic. Someone may ask, why are we exiting SPLA-IO? We've been mobilized for war, and when we came to the IO, we were for peace. But this time, people want us to go for war, which is something we cannot accept at this time. We are coming to all organized forces with our dividend of 17% of our access, so that we can serve our country as we are back to duty. We want to serve our country and defend it from internal and external enemies. So we are here for peace, and we want to move on with our axis, and we want to serve our country as the forces of this country. We want to move on and do what is right and just. Turn hurt. We salute the President and the Republic. So, you can continue.
Today, date 29 April 2025, SPLA-IO National Security Officers pledge statement on declaration our defection with the effect of today's date. We 94 officers of the SPLA-IO National Security, with immediate effects from the SPLA-IO, this action is protest of systematic corruption, tribalism, and the division of our access principle. We pledge alliance to SPLM-IG under His Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, and commit to advancing peace, unity, and national development with SSPDF. All patriots are urged to prioritize South Sudan above all. Thank you.